If your child is unwell, if they have an underlying health condition or complex health needs, we wanted to offer you some reassurance that advice and support is out there for you. We have GPs, children's community nurses, specialist nurses, 111. We also have our children's wards. We know during this period of coronavirus that they are quieter than they usually are. So please, if your child is unwell, if they're presenting in a different manner and you have any concerns, support and advice is out there for you. As parents and carers, you know your child best, so please seek the support needed. We have an information sheet here. This offers you the relevant guidance, and if in doubt, please contact for any support needed. Thank you.